Welcome back to the channel, y'all. So today we're going to be going over to Jason's tiny house.
Yep.
We actually got the truck loaded up with all the slabs, and I think we're going to try to put up some of the actual cedar slabs on his tiny house. So that's why we're in the truck right now. We're going to be heading out there literally right now, and we're just going to put up the slabs and maybe do some other stuff and actually, you know, kind of just hang out. And I know Jared's up there, his twin brother, and we've never met him before, so he is a Crocker, so we don't know exactly if he's anything like Jason. I don't know, but he's probably a little bit better than Jason is. But just stay tuned and we'll just show you exactly what's going on up there.
Jared jumping in there on that action. Yeah, of course. Yeah, I would say you got the higher.
Yeah, I'll have to step in there.
I need a higher elevation.
Yeah.
Go, catch it, leg. I can't reach that high.
Tell me when. Bodo's property. He was working in T-code. Have fun, buddy.
Yeah.
String once it starts and you put that back forward.
He's got a rack.
Pretty good.
Dude, that thing, I mean, it gets up and goes, and then it kind of slows. But yeah, if you're not...
Rookie, come here. The other way.
Need more oil, right?
You'll get that gas can right there, that tin one? Yeah. What? Looking back.
Woo! That didn't work. Epic fail.
Yeah, I know.
It's like,
What did kids say? I gotta send it.
Yeah. Look back, you're like, woohoo! I guess you made a good point.
Oh, you got that, didn't you? Did you hear him?
Well, no, because what I was
He just said I made a good point.
Here like this, you'd only have to chink this much, and not chink this whole thing, so you're saving on chinking. That's my original thought. I didn't think about the water.
We're not half doing things here. But yeah, at the water, you don't want the water getting in. So what'd you say? What'd you say? You said I had a good idea?
Yeah.
You heard it here, folks.
A squirrel finds a nut every now and then. I mean, he's still living, so he has done something right.
that was
Yeah.
funny. That was funny.
You don't get that on keeping it Dutch. I'll give you that one. That one's funny.
Actually, we had the other half of the sauce.
I mean, I'm just trying to know, like, what you probably said before. Alright guys, so as you can see here, this is kind of what we got done for the day. It's actually quite a bit. just doing all the kind of the back work. We had to debark all this, and you can tell right over here, it's kind of a tedious process. Jared over here can definitely tell you. He helped us out. Jason, not so much.
I helped a little bit.
Yeah.
Supervising.
He held one board.
Somebody's got to supervise. I was the one doing all this.
Well, I was helping you do that too. Anyways, we've all been working here, okay? And I really like how it's coming together. Kind of the vision that me and Jason kind of had. We kind of mixed them together, and it's coming along pretty good. If y'all are wondering what this spacing is, that's going to be where the chinking goes. But
well, on here, if you guys are wondering, we put screws in, and it's gonna hold it real tight. But the thing is, we're gonna do trim around this, so all these screws, you're not gonna see them, and all this is perfectly fine on here. And then with the chinking on there, I think it's be really good with the mesh on it and stuff. And I'm thinking, I'm not 100% sure, but up there I was thinking maybe like shingles, like cedar shingles. But then I started looking at it, I think it just needs to be the planks all the way up.
yeah, I think all the way it would be pretty good.
Yeah. And then this roof line is actually going to come out 4 feet with this porch. And
So does it have a deck down here?
yeah,
as
it'll be a
well?
deck all the way across. But from vision to actually seeing it, it's pretty awesome.
Yeah, I think whenever we were talking about doing it this way, it's kind of hard to really see it, in a sense in your head. But when actually you stick it on the wall and actually see it, and just the more and more I look at it, the more and more I love it.
Yeah.
But I really like it a lot. Jared, what do you think about it?
Came out pretty good. At first, I was a little skeptic about it, but it's looking good.
I think it looks pretty good. Guys, if you don't know Jared, it's Jared Crocker. They're actually twin brothers. They don't look almost anything alike. And
We just have different moms.
yeah, and he only has one leg, so that's definitely
It's definitely a plus.
Yeah.
Or is it a minus?
depends on what you're doing.
Yeah.
I guess.
Without here, I have to have snake boots on. He doesn't, because he has a way less chance of getting bit.
Yeah, he's got a
50-50
chance. 50-50 chance. And Jared's actually probably a lot smarter than Jason is.
That's definitely
Well,
for
yeah,
sure.
he doesn't hang out with you as much.
We can fix that.
Oh, there goes your tiny build.
Yeah.
But guys, so we're gonna just kind of take a little bit of a break, and we're actually gonna go down to the river right now. We're gonna get up in the pickup and go down and just have a little bit of relaxing time right now, and just sit back and shoot the moon for right now.
Well, I thought about something before going down there.
Uh-oh.
What?
You want to show the people the raised bed with some stuff in it? There's
Yeah,
not
yeah.
that much sunlight in it. I know there needs to be sunlight. We're gonna eventually cut down some trees, but you want to go show them?
Yeah, let's go show them, because I know y'all been talking about probably wanting to see it with the plants in it. So let's go over and we'll show you it. All right, so we're over here in the planter bed. He's got a lot of stuff planted in here, and
A variety.
yeah, it's pretty much a decent variety. Definitely I'd say a
quick,
salsa
too.
garden.
Yeah, good
Yeah.
quick.
Yeah,
Or stuff that you can kind of throw in stews, soups, that type of thing.
yeah, for sure. So Jason, what do you got in here? Do you even know?
Yeah, I got grass.
Ooh, that's good.
Yeah, good grass.
Got some green onions over here, and then cilantro,
Yeah.
some
Tomato right here.
tomato, jalapeno, banana peppers.
That's a.
There's
whole
another
can.
little-
This is a jalapeno right here.
Or jalapeno. Well, the jalapeno, then
Two of them.
what is this one? Banana or jalapeno? I don't remember.
You had to probably restart.
I think that's jalapeno, and then no, that's banana pepper. This is jalapeno,
And that's a banana.
banana pepper,
And we got some garlic
garlic
over
over
here.
there.
And then
Little
looks like we got some cherry tomatoes.
tomatoes.
We got some tomatoes already on it.
Yep. We actually ate some of this stuff
With
in
our
our
breakfast
breakfast this morning. And then I got some potatoes that were starting to grow on their own.
You
So I'm
should,
gonna put those in the ground somewhere.
You want to try one of the jalapenos? Just see if they're ripe, Jason.
Me?
Yeah. Just take
Yeah.
a bite of it.
I mean, sure. Which one?
just one of those right there. Just pick one and eat
Just
it.
pick one to your liking.
Just take a big bite of
Well, I
it.
don't really like jalapenos.
Just eat the whole thing. It's pretty good.
That's hot.
Pretty good.
Pretty hot.
Just go ahead and swallow it.
It's hot.
It's pretty good.
It's hot. You keep talking.
Well, guys, another thing that Jason said he's probably gonna do is I think you're gonna put something around the siding.
Yeah, maybe. You okay? It's hot.
It's all right.
gonna be okay?
Yeah, I might cry a little bit, but it's hot.
It's okay.
Tears running down your
I think Jacob wants to try one.
You should try when they're
Let's see
good.
if it's really hot or not.
Yeah. Which one should I try? Ooh, here's a good one.
Or I gotta get me a Sprite.
He's out.
Kind of a big one.
Oh, man.
It is hot,
It's hot.
but it's not that bad though.
My mouth's birded.
You okay there?
Oklahoma boys, they can't handle the heat.
I don't do spicy. Oh, my throat and lips are burning.
Very good jalapeno. Not bad. For sure. So another thing that y'all said in our comments about Jason putting this bed in, you can tell there's some shade. We are sometime gonna start to try to cut some limbs a little bit.
But we are further along in the day right now.
Right, yeah, and that's one thing that you probably didn't see is this does get some sunlight, you know, in the earlier day. This is actually a later day. But we will try to strategically cut some limbs and try to get a little bit more sun over here. So don't worry about that. We're gonna get Jason fixed up with all this, so it's not gonna be an issue. But it's pretty cool that, you know, we gave him this, he filled it up, and now he's growing his own food here on his off-grid tiny house.
Yeah, I
And-
try to be as legit as I can when it comes to off-grid, and no power, no water, and
Straight
tears.
up.
straight. The only water I get is rain, harvest, and tears.
You're
But-
getting a lot of that right now.
Yeah, but I try to keep it real on this channel, and so yeah, what you see is what you get, and this is all the food source that I have right now. But I'm getting chickens and goats from Jared's property, some rabbits.
Yeah, getting rabbits.
You gotta talk to us now.
Very soon. Yeah, he'll be getting some rabbits from us very soon here. I think he's trying to get his set up. That's one reason why Jared was over here trying to help him get a lot of...
Get his life together.
Yeah, he needs it, guys.
And then he made me eat a
Let's-
jalapeno.
He needs it. But if y'all don't know who Jared Crocker is, like I said, go check him out. He's got goats. He's down in... he is from Texas, of course, but don't hold that against him. He's a good guy.
Really?
He is.
Really? You're my neighbors to the north. You're supposed to be nice to me.
I am nice.
He has a prosthetic leg.
Yeah. He needs to adapt.
And overcome. That's a tear right there.
Oh my
Oh
gosh.
wow, that's a big drop.
That's a tear.
Yeah.
It's hot. My mouth's still burning.
Like we said, go check out his channel. Like we said, he's got a lot of goats and chickens and stuff, and he plants a lot of stuff on his property.
800
a lot.
trees about.
Every other day.
He had pasture, now he's gonna have straight forest in about 5 years. And y'all know Jason from the Crockers and everything. He's been on our channel a lot. But this is the first time for us meeting Jared, and I
You
think
guys aren't that bad.
I think we like him.
They're
For
not-
now.
They're not
This
that
is the
bad.
first time. But we're going to just go and kind of relax over by the river and just kind of hang out and talk and just get to know each other a little bit more. Jared, I want to give you a shout out, okay?
Don't yell at
Just
me.
come over here.
Shout out.
Check out his leg, guys!
Oh, man! Will you please do that? I give you full permission.
Captain Morgan. I can't do it now if you're doing it. I'll come over here.
There you go, one on each side.
Let me do it. You want sympathy views?
Yeah.